What is the purpose of a roll bar on a pickup truck? 1. Increased safety. They add more rigidity to the vehicle and could be a lifesaver in an auto accident. 2. Improved appearance. Choosing the right one can alter your pickup truck's overall appearance, making it look slicker, tougher, or any other way you want. 3. Added functionality. Some people will certainly appreciate having a place to mount their ladders and other equipment as they go between job sites. 4. Serve as attachment points for spotlights and speakers. Roll bars designed for this purpose conceal wiring that connects the accessories to the truck's electrical power system. Overall, roll bars aren't just for show but instead offer important benefits that make them a worthwhile upgrade for any truck owner. Want to know more? Our accessories sales expert is ready to assist you with all your concerns. Comment down below or message us for more info.